What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. It is beautiful and sunny out today. Yeah, and I'm still working, so I'm still on the clock, but it's kind of slow right now, so while I'm working, I'll be working on the XS750. Where did I leave off? Oh yeah, so I left off with taking out the diaphragms, which I think very well could have been the culprit. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to clean off all this gunk that's on there and put it all back together today, and let's see if we can get her fired up. It's nice out, so you know, I'm not gonna wake up all the neighbors because they're already awake, but yeah, let's start cleaning her up and put her back together and hope for the best, guys. Welcome to another video of the XS750 rebuild. Alright guys, continuation from last night. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean this up, which I kind of already did last night, but I'm just going to go through, hit them with the carb cleaner again, and get these fuel gunk out, and we'll start slapping back everything on together. Yeah, hoping for the best.
Since you've been there, and now you've disappeared somewhere. I got a space, you found some better place, and I miss you like the deserts miss the rain. And I miss you, yeah, like the deserts miss. I miss you.
Carbs have been cleaned, or so I think. Thumbnail. So everything looks good. Throttle is cool. I don't think I need to sync these just yet. They look okay to me. Yeah, they look all right. I'm scared. I'm gonna put this back in. Hopefully it runs a little bit better. But yeah. Wish me luck, guys. Dude, I don't even know how to put this back on without taking the taking the box off. This sucks. There's literally no room for me to. Alright guys, that was pretty freaking complicated. I got it though. Throttle cable is good now, so throttle's hooked up. That was really... There we go. We're good. We're getting close. We're getting close, guys. We're getting close. You know it's serious when we had to take out the hoodie. But carb is in, air filter is in. What I'll do is, I'm not gonna tighten everything yet. I wanna make sure it runs. So let's put the gas tank back on, put some fuel, connect the hoses, and let's pray. That should be enough fuel for me to turn it on. But let's hope. Damn guys, here we go. Final. Got everything back. Oh my god, please, please, please. Come on, buddy. Give it to me. Give me a moment while I wrestle with this. Alright guys, man, I'm sweating after trying multiple times, but the choke is on all the way. I'm gonna let it warm up, and then we'll just go from here. Whew, I'm very happy that I got that working. Well, it's running now, so we'll see, we'll see. Alright guys, I think I got it running like good. Doesn't hang up on 2,000 RPM anymore. Oh my god, this might be huge, guys. I'm gonna put on the helmet and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go for a test ride. I'm actually really excited for this. Oh my god. Woo! All right, guys, I'm kind of scared. Here we go. I hope I don't get stuck in the road, but let's give her a first ride on the project. These handlebars gotta go. If I got this running right, we're ordering bars today. But let's hope for the best here, guys. I'm just messing with the choke real quick. We'll just go for a quick test ride here. Okay, so let's see if we still have the issue with the first gear cutting out. When it's in gear, it wants to cut out. Let's see. Does it go above 2 RPM? Oh, it still gets stuck there a little bit. Let's see. I think it's like the actual throttle itself. I feel it getting snagged this time. Maybe I put something wrong on the... No, but she goes now. Oh yeah, guys. Boys, we did it. Holy shit. Oh, no way, guys. No, this is crazy. I've never done this in my life before. Like where I get to fix up an old bike, and this is crazy. Okay, I do feel the throttle snag though a little bit. The throttle. Okay, so now, okay, I have no problem with the 2,000 RPM, but I think the throttle now is a little. Ooh, she's popping. Oh my god. I don't know if you heard that. Let's turn her around. I don't want to get on the main street because I don't have plates on this thing yet. Yep. It goes past 2,000 RPM now. Hell yeah, gang. Yeah. Guys, this is awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh, it bogs down still a little bit. Just a little bit, but definitely not as bad as before. Definitely got to do some fine tuning here. And it pops. So but it runs. It fucking runs now. I don't have that 2,000 RPM issue. This is awesome, guys. As you can tell, I'm pretty excited. This is my genuine reaction. See, before it wouldn't even go. Oh, there you go. Okay, I think it does still a little bit, but it's not as prominent as before. So, before it would just cut out like completely. Whew. Oh my gosh, guys. Whew. That was awesome. That's so cool to experience. Oh my god. Well, she runs, guys. She runs. She's alive. Oh man, I'm excited now.
Obviously I just got to tighten some things down, like the airbox isn't tightened down, but yeah, we'll get her all tightened up and ready to go. She can definitely ride, but I'm not too sure about riding long distance on this yet. I want to though, but awesome.